The rain's coming down a little more now. I think I'm gonna have to put this thing on. Not that I don't want to, but just got to stop and do it. So here's an unboxing. Pull it out of here. Undo the plastic that goes around it when we ship it. Roll her down. Well, anyway, so here's what the ATACS FG-X looks like. I'm kind of up in the trees here. You kind of see what it looks like here. We're not sure. We're not sure if we're going to carry this or not. I mean, we're just thinking about it. I got a little bit of yardage, enough for some ponchos and tarps and stuff, you know, enough for a little while. I haven't ordered any bulk orders of this fabric yet. I'm just kind of trying to decide, do we want to try carrying it or not? I don't know. If you're watching this video, well, if you're not, you won't know. If you like it, in the comments below, you know, let me know. So it's ATACS FG-X. So here's the side view, the cab and everything. One of the guys in our church, Cody, he said he looked up from our campsite down there where our group was at. He said, Perry, isn't that truck a little big for you? I said, well, you making short jokes about me? Nothing's even really wore out or anything. There's no cracks in the dash or anything like that. It's all clean, nice. So Cody was right. I am too little for this. Every time I want to get anything or do anything, I got to climb. I can't reach. I got to climb in, climb out. So I'm going to have to get used to that.